going on, guys? To continue the video, now what we'll be learning is the uptrend in the market. I already showed you guys how it looked in hindsight, which was a little bit easier. But now we're moving to the part where it is a little bit more complicated, right? So I'm gonna make the video short, so you guys can have a little bit more understanding of the market. I'm gonna provide a different example for you guys. So for your example, as I was saying, now as we can see in the market, this is currently on uptrend. This will be a uptrend that I want to identify first, right? Look at this. From this, we're looking at this right now. This is a given an uptrend auto flow. One, how do we acknowledge the uptrend? Because look, we have this high right here, which broke this high, and we have this another swing high right here, which come to a little bit of swing low. We break that high and we trace back a little bit, and we continue the direction in the uptrend. As you guys can see, we continue making higher highs, a little bit of retracement again, right? And again, also, and we keep doing that until we get all the way up. As you guys can see, we have another uptrend here, uptrend, uptrend. We have a little bit of retracement, uptrend, downtrend, and uptrend, guys. So this is how you identify market structure in a real chart environment. As you just guys can see, the market was making a higher high, lower low, higher high, lower low, higher high, as until we started moving up. So this is how you identify that uptrend in the chart. And now, guys, I'm gonna look for a downtrend for you guys to identify also. Trade settings, symbol. Let me change the background to all black. Okay. So now let's look for a downtrend, right, guys? Let's look for a downtrend since we was. So now, okay, I'm able to find a little bit of the downtrend here. So this will be the downtrend. All right, this will be the downtrend. So before we did the uptrend, the downtrend is what? Market going down, right? So starting from here, as you can see, we have a market breakdown. We have a little bit of retracement. Guess what? Continue lower, a little bit of retracement back, and we started sending lower again. Look, lower low, higher, a little bit of lower high, and we have a lower low again, and we have market continue lower high, lower low, again lower low, lower high. This is the hot downtrend. This is what we consider as a downtrend, guys. So you guys have to go in your chart and do a little bit of practice. This will be your homework. Go in the chart, go back as many as possible, trying to look for this kind of moves yourself and see how they're actually moving, guys. So once you start doing practicing this a lot, you will start noticing the changes in market and starting to feed your high and learn more about how the market actually moves, right? So now let's go to consolidation. Let's look for consolidation, guys. So consolidation would be something like this, right? Consolidation will be right here. Look, as you can see it. What is consolidation? Consolidation is when the market is moving sideways, right? Consolidation when the market is moving sideways, right? So you guys can see this chart right here. As you can see, look, we have a market going up, down, up, down, up, down, inside the same range, right? This is not what we want. This is not what we want to see when we're trading. We want to see market give us a clear direction when we're trading. For example, right here. Also, as you can see inside this box, it's just market moving up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. Apart from here, when we finally broke down, right? But we're looking at this consolidation right here, when the market is just going up, down, up, down. That is what we want to see when we're trading. When we're trading, right, is either we want to trade when the market is very easy to trade, which is either be uptrend or downtrend, right? So you guys are gonna go in your chart and trying to look for all these three uptrend, downtrend, or consolidation. And once you guys do that, send them over to me, and I'll be able to review them for you guys and give you guys feedback on based on what you did. This is your little exercise for the day, guys. So thank you guys so much for watching. This will conclude the first part of the video. If you guys do have any more questions, feel free to reach out to me personally. I'll be able to assist you guys.